In this video, we are going to look at 3 stocks based on option flow. Then we are going to look at the fundamental technical algorithmic and artificial intelligence. Based on the information we are going to analyze the stocks. We will be using the Traditics website to identify the 3 stocks. Please use the link below to subscribe to the website. General disclaimer, any opinions provided is general market information for educational and entertainment purposes only and do not constitute as investment advice.
In this video, we're going to look at 3 stocks for tomorrow. So, the hottest sector currently is technology. So, we're going to look at some technology stocks today. So, let's go to the options flow. So, if you see here, first stock we're going to pick is Apple. Second stock is AMD, and then the third stock is PLUG. Okay, so these are 3 stocks we're going to pick. So let's go to the first stock, Apple. So Apple is a fundamentally very good stock with good revenue. So we don't want to worry about that. So let's look at the support resistance level. So it basically has cut below the resistance level, but it has formed a very bullish candle. So if you look here, you can see a bullish candle, bullish pin bar. It's come down, but it's a bullish pin bar. So let's look at trend lines. That's projections saying sideways. I think we have to just wait for one more green candle to break this support. And if it breaks the support, then you can take a bullish. Definitely will go bullish till it reaches this resistance here, 149. Okay, let's look at AI. AI is very bullish, 89%. Let's look at options flow. So 60% calls. So overall flow is bullish. Algo is also bullish. 31 million calls and 9 million puts. So the stock is at 140. You can see there is a lot of 140, 145, 130, 150. Okay. So if we go here, if you see the open interest is above 140, and there is a lot of green here. Okay, so the concentration is above 140. Also see that if you look at the orders, right, high level orders is 140, 140, 141. So that's a range. There's also a lot of put volume also. So 140, 140. So it's at 140. There are a lot of people buying. So it's definitely a uptrending stock, the technical and the flow point of view. Let's look at next stock. Let's look at AMD. AMD also has good revenue. Let's look at support resistance line. So it has just crossed one resistance support line here. Okay, so it has a very bullish candle. So let's look at very bullish candle. So from this, it's a very bullish price action here. Let's look at projections. Projection is saying it's going to go to this resistance level 118. Okay, just previously reached. So it definitely will go at least till this level here. Okay, so now let's look at AI. AI is also bullish. Let's look at option flow. Option flow is also bullish. Algo is bullish. 70% calls and 30% puts. So 27 million calls and 11 million puts. The stock is at 109. There's a lot of calls at 110. Okay, so now you see the open interest So it's 109. So if you look at 110, there's a lot of open interest here, but there's also a lot of open interest on the put side also. You can see the higher bars here from 104 to 120. So a lot of orders at there's a lot of huge orders at 110, 108, 115, 106. Okay. So this looks bullish from all angles. Let's look at the next stock. Plug. So it does have good fundamentals, right? So from the revenue angle, let's look at support resistance. So it's in a bullish price action. So you can see that there is one line here. It could go here and then it could reverse, or it could go to this resistance line here. Okay, so it has multiple times it has, but it has not gone beyond this line here. Okay, so touched here. Okay, so it's a bullish price action, but not sure how far it can go. Projections. So projection is saying sideways. Let's look at AI. The stock is at 33. The AI is saying that it may go to, from the high side it may go to 36, the low side it could go to 30. Let's look at flow. Flow is bullish, 85% calls. Algo is also bullish, 11 million calls and 1.7 million puts. So there's a lot of calls at 30, 35, 30, 32, 33. Okay. So you can see about 30 there are some, but there is also a lot of puts, also heavy volume of puts also. So let's look at the number of orders. So 33 is where there are a lot of call orders. So here it's at 30, put orders at 30 also. So this is a kind of a sideways trend for some time. So here we are at 1 hour chart, from 1 hour chart, and then weekly CPR. You see the CPR is this, tomorrow CPR is little down, so this is down, so it's downtrending, descending CPR very slightly, but there is a bullish, so this bearish transferring to bullish. You can see the green icons. So this is going to definitely going to trend up for a little bit. Okay, so it has to, we have to see whether what it is opening tomorrow, but it looks bullish to me from the CPR. So if you look at monthly, weekly, it's bullish, but all others are little bearish. Okay, so this is AMD. This looks quite bullish because you can see the ascending CPR, one stacked above there, and you can see there's a bullish candle here. So it's basically bullish from here. Okay, so you can see that from monthly, weekly, 4-day, 2-day, day, all on 1 hour, all bullish. Okay, so this looks bullish for some time. So from the CPR also it looks bullish. So here is plug, which is almost green and yellow. You can see that CPR for tomorrow is going to be a little higher, very higher. So definitely a uptrending day. So but the CPR it was lower here, but it went higher up here, and this also all the way green. So this could be trending upwards for some time. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and also like the video. Thank you.